Good morning, my beautiful YouTube family. So, I've got quite a few people asking me about the Spectra palette from Gourmande Girls Cosmetics. Not the backstory of it or anything, but about how pigmented this palette is. Y'all, the pigmentation is absolutely there. And people are coming to me, how do you do an everyday look with such a pigmented palette? So, it is 7:45 a.m. right now. I have to leave in 30 minutes to go to work. So I have to leave at 8:15 to go to work. We're going to get an everyday look done in less than 30 minutes. I'll see you guys in a minute. Hi guys, good morning. So the Gourmande Girls Cosmetics Spectra palette, I will leave their link down below in the description, and I will leave Christine Gorman's channel listed below down in the description. I have went ahead and laid down my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas. This is $22 on their site, but they have it on sale all the time, usually half off. I love this stuff. It covers up my veins, it smooths out the texture, and it is an amazing primer. I love this stuff. I actually take it above my brows also and below my lower lash line to hold on in case I want to put shadows down there, but it works as an amazing concealer too. I love this stuff. Mine is in the shade medium. I am olive complected. They also have light and cocoa for lighter shades or darker shade people. So let's get into Gourmande Girls Cosmetics Spectra palette. I have got my bling brushes and my Jocy&Co brushes. Let's make some noise. Look at these gorgeous brushes. Oh my gosh. Of course, I have the affiliation code with Jocy&Co. And you can use code Allie Dawson for 10% off of blinged brushes, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and just feather out these brows now that I've turned my mirror. Get them up out of the way, and then I'll show you guys how I fill them in and everything. This is from the Paige Corin collection. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that pink. All right, enough jibber-jabbing. 5-minute look. No problem. We got this. Okay, I am going to use my Jocy&Co brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Twilight right here. And y'all, I'm literally going to put this right underneath my brow bone and all over my eye. Why? Because it's going to brighten it all up. And give me that highlight. Look at that. Easy peasy. Like that. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye with you guys. Make sure and get that inner corner. Let's get that brightened up. It is morning and your girl is dark in there in the morning. But look. So as you can see, I literally already have my inner corner done and my brow bone done. Easy peasy. Now, let's use my bling brush. Look at that angle. And it's very, very dense. I love these brushes, you guys. Yes, they are quite expensive, but they're wonderful, amazing brushes. Okay. Easy peasy look today. We're going into Beauty Butterfly Kisses right here. We'll do our outer corner. Yes, pigment is there. Tap, tap, outer corner. Just like that. And dab. And go along the eye socket bone. You just go in very lightly and you build it up. That way you don't get that bam, hello pigment. Very lightly. Dab it and then blend it out. Just like that. See? Let's get our other eye done. Those that don't know, because I do have quite a few new YouTube family members, I am almost completely blind in my right eye, so usually however my left eye ends up, we got to match it up with the right. Again, dab, 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 and blend. Just like that. Voila. Now, this one is a little bit lighter than this one, so we're going to fix that up. Again, just dab, 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 and blend. That's all. Don't be scared of colors, guys. Literally, just go in lighter-handed with your brush and build the color up to your desired pigmentation. That's all there is to it. Now, little trick. I've shared it before. These are these old-time makeup sponges. These work amazing for shimmers. I am going to go into Pink Sand. Just like so. I did get a little much on there. And go all over the lid. Same with the mattes. Go in easy and build it up. Let's get the other eye done. Now, I do take that up just a tad bit above my eye socket bone. Just a little bit, guys. Okay, now I do want to darken up my outer corners a little bit. So I am going to go back into Butterfly Kisses. Just a little bit. Make it a little more defined. And back over the eye socket bone. Same with the other eye. So easy, guys. Now, we are going to do the lower lash line with this palette, guys. Pardon me. Allergies have been insane this year. We are going back into a Butterfly Kisses. We're going to do this outer corner lash line. Get it right on the tip of your skinny little brush. This is my Jocy&Co brush. And then we're going to dab, dab, dab. And then we blend it. Just like that. Can you guys see that? Same with the left eye. Dab, dab, dab. And blend. Not too much, not too little. Easy peasy, guys. Now, I do want to take some right there in the inner corner lower lash line. So I'm going to use... Got another Jocy&Co brush. Now look at that. It has this little angled tip. Makes it a little easier to get right in there. I have this color. It's called Lilac Breeze. Same as the outer corner. Right on the tip. The excess off. And we're going to go literally right under the lower lash line in that corner and dab, dab, dab. Kind of gives it an ombre effect. Just a light lavender. So beautiful. Got a little much over there, so let's fix this one. Just brings it all together. It's, oh, y'all, the simplicity of things just make things so much easier for me. Okay, guys, let's do these brows. Let me find my brow stuff. Here it is. This here is the L'Oreal Micro Ink Pen. This is in the shade Taupe. Look at that. You can make those little hair-like strokes. Not a lot, just enough to fill it in. Same over here. This one's a little bit more bushier than this one. No two eyebrows are ever alike. Just fill them in. Just quick upward strokes. Get my tail. It's there. Now, this does stay all day, kind of like a tattoo. It lasts a long, long time. But because my eyebrow hairs like to get a little squirrely, I go in with the, what's it called? A wax? It's not really a wax. It's brow fibers, pretty much. This is the Revlon Colorstay Brow Fiber Filler. Again, in the shade Taupe. But I want y'all to check out this brush. Look, you see that little beveled edge right there? It's straight. Plus it has the top here for the front end. So you turn it over like that to get the whole brush and go up very gently. And we'll just call it brow glue. Go back in, do the other one, same thing. Make sure you have the flat edge on your brow and go up ever so gently. And you have your brow sealed for the day. Okay, let's straighten her out. Looking snazzy. That's it, guys, for the Gourmande Girls Cosmetics palette. I'm going to go off camera, put on some mascara, fix the rest of my face. Be right back. I wanted to jump back on here real quick and show you another thing. I use my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, which I always use because it builds up into my little crepey skin I have underneath my eyes, and it fills in my scar. And then I use my Manicador Rose Setting Spray and spray down my sponge. Not a lot. I don't need it to grow great, big, and huge. Now, I wanted to share with you guys that I use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I don't wear any foundation during the day, you guys. You don't need a full face of foundation if you're just trying to cover up your imperfections. Look, it's so easy, and it blends right into my normal skin. So it looks like I have a full face without all of it on there. And it covers up all the imperfections also. You don't have to do the contouring and the highlighting unless you want to, which I'm going to, because I love my highlighter, which I will also be using Gourmande Girls. But I wanted to literally show you guys, you don't need a full, let's cover everything, every bit of our skin. That's it. 6 little dabs, whole face is covered, because I don't need it all over my face. It just gives it that little slight natural look. We're not going to contour. We're just going to slap on some highlighter. Why? Because this is the Gourmande Girls. What's it called? Bold and Brilliant highlighting palette. Look at that. We're going to use this one here. It's a blush also. We're going to use this little fluffy brush that I got. Lightly go in. Just ever so lightly, you guys. Another pigment. And go right on top of the cheekbone. And look. So cute. That highlighter. Wow. Y'all seen how lightly I went in with this. Like, wow. I'm going to have to tone it down. Y'all, pigmentation with Gourmande Girls, it is absolutely there. All right, guys, I am going to go off now, and I'm going to put on some lipstick, and I'm going to put on some mascara. I'll see you in a second. All right, guys, I'm back. Lipstick's on. Got some mascara on. I used my Ebony Christine. Y'all, this is a matte. It does not transfer. This is in the shade Sweet Baby. I absolutely love these. Thank you so much, Jazz Up My Style, for recommending it. I absolutely love it. And I put on, of course, the Act Natural ColourPop mascara. That's it, guys. Here's our final look. Easy peasy, guys. What was it? A highlighter on the brow shade, which is one. The purple matte on the outer corner. The shimmer on the inner. And then number 4, we used 4 different eyeshadow shades for this look. That same matte on the under eye line, lower lash line, outer corner. And then that same shimmer on the inner one. Easy peasy, 5-minute, very pigmented palette. Just go in lighter with your brush and build it up to how you want it, guys. All right, my loves, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Let's do some close-ups.